Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the vlog. Getting going here this morning, going into work, and then do some work today. Today's Friday, I believe May 11th. So we're gonna go into work, do that, get some work done, and then after work, we're gonna start working on that little surprise I talked about for the Focus in the last video. So gonna get that painted. So I don't think I revealed what it is yet, so stay tuned. Aaron's going to get this sprayed up for me, so we'll check it out as he's spraying it. So primed it last night. It's all ready to just be sprayed today. See you after work. So we're in the shop, just got done with work. We're going to show you the Focus. Now I'll just show it. So this is what we got going on. So we got the spoiler taken off, and we're getting another one prepped. So check in with Aaron. I think he's starting to mix up the paint right now. See what he's got going on. Color?
Except for white. More of a Harvard or a Yale white.
You gonna mix up black next? Oh, you already got it. So this is what we got. Getting prepped for paint. We ended up priming them last night, because I didn't trust the primer that came on it. I'm pretty sure it was just shipping primer, but Aaron said this was a good idea. So as you can see, doing a little upgrade. The buttresses, the other buttresses. This is gonna have a pretty nice wang.
Yeah.
Got the little pillars there. So we already test fit it, made sure it's gonna work. Definitely gonna work. So I was a little nervous about that. How do you think it's gonna look?
Great.
Fucking thing's mint. What are you spraying on there right now? Grease and wax remover?
Yeah. The grease and wax remover, that's safe for paint. And well, it's all safe for paint, but it's safe for plastics.
So once we spray this, it's going to be two different colors. This section is going to be white, and then this section is going to be black. On the factory RS spoilers, they do a semi-gloss black. I've opted to do the high gloss black, so pretty much just paint it like you would if you're just painting a car or a fender or whatever black. Aaron's in deep grease wax removal.
Yeah. It's all about the prep.
It's all about the prep, he says. I wonder if Corey's coming up. He said he was coming up tonight.
Really?
I should call him.
That's looking better. Not really white, not really gray.
Checked out the variants for it. We're just gonna go with the prime formula that Ford came out with for that color. It seemed to be the best match. There's like a, what was there, a yellower one?
Yellower, a darker, and
Yellower, darker, redder.
sealer, so now we'll do some base.
Now we're gonna go check for coverage. Aaron's got 3 coats on these panels, so
Not quite covered yet. These are good. These are looking good too. The rest of the black on the black parts, but there's like some white overspray on it. So I'll just use that up and then it should be good to go.
So Aaron's mixing up 20 ounces of clear. Aren't you coming up this weekend or something? Oh, next weekend. Oh. I got no spoiler on my car. Yeah. What do you think? So last coat of clear's on. Fuck yeah, this is gonna look good. Yep. We're gonna let it dry overnight, come back in tomorrow morning. I think me and Aaron are gonna jet out of here. It's about 7 o'clock at night, so I know Aaron's getting hungry. Can't not eat for more than 3 hours before he passes out.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we'll check back in tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Just built.
Do you know a train went in the ditch right here?
Like, got engulfed?
Yeah, there used to be a switch right here, and there's another bridge that went that way. And it came hightailing down here, the brakes let loose, and went all the way through Ashland. And then it couldn't make the turn across that bridge there, and the whole thing went right in the swamp down there.
And it's just still in there.
They had to cut it up down there.
Oh, really?
So I'm sure there's still big pieces of it down there.
So back in the shop now. Take a look. Mmm. Yes. That looks good. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Dude, I'm super psyched.
Oh.
Now that I'm seeing it. Look at that. And I touch it.
Yeah.
Touch.
Turned out good.
You want me to just pull it in your stall?
Yeah. You get those instructions?
Yeah. No. Instructions. No, just kidding. I do those. Will you kidding me? I don't know how anything works. That's why Aaron's here. Bus behind. Yeah, this is faster than the Firebird, that car. I had my old blue one, about 140.
You know, fungus.
You gonna be good doing car shows this year?
I'm kind of thinking about it.
Yeah.
And there's it, I gotta fix the rear cab nose and then wire up the lights. It's pretty much drivable. I'm not going hog wild on the interior or nothing.
Get it on and enjoy it.
Yeah. So is it something different you're putting on here?
Yeah. Yeah, this was stop.
Okay.
You know. And then
How does it stop?
fucking good. I got brakes on that fucker in the front.
Oh my. What is that, about 13, 14-inch rotors?
Yeah.
You'd need that for.
Yeah. Alrighty. Got it together, me and Aaron. Aaron screwed in everything. So there's, you want to pick it up here?
Yep.
Real quick. If you look here, there's bolt in there, that holds, what do they call that?
Risers.
Risers. And then from there, the risers have a bolt that go into the top piece here. And then there's 3 bolts, or 3 screws per side to hold the buttresses on. So you got buttress. So now we got to
Run some seals.
and then get her on the car. Check back in with you here shortly once we start putting it on the car. So one thing I wanted to mention is it comes with these doubles or taped foam pieces, and they need to go over these holes here. Kinda what it does is you got clips on the OEM, and it's gonna cover those holes on the back of the hatch there. So that's what we're gonna do here. Just cover those up. I thought I'd mention it because it wasn't in the instructions that they gave you. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Like so. Well, maybe we plug it in and then pull it back out and then hook that up then.
Why don't we take all this off of here and put it on there, so we just plug it here.
Dude, with the tinted windows, that's what's putting it off right there.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm glad you made me push a button.
Yeah. This is a good idea.
Oh. Right there. Aaron's so nervous about that hitting that antenna.
I know it's gonna hit. Okay.
I think it's gonna go right through right here.
Yep.
Nope. Doesn't hit.
Really?
It hits, but it doesn't nope, it doesn't hit at all.
I'm shook.
That's that cutout in the front of that.
That's what it's for?
Yeah. Look,
Okay.
It doesn't hit at all. It actually fits better than the old one did.
Wow.
So psyched. A little off of what it used to be, but
What can you expect? You could put another stock one on it and it might be a little off even.
yeah. Like a glove, dude.
Perfect. That looks good.
What do you think?
I think that sets out.
That black, doing it gloss like that with the windows?
Yeah. That looks great.
Oh. I didn't think the windows were gonna set it off that much.
Yeah. I almost thought with it being gloss black, you'd kind of not see it, but you definitely see it.
Yeah.
That looks,
Oh, dude, I'm so psyched.
that looks insane.
It fits so good too. Like,
For being eBay, that fit and finish was perfect.
yeah, like it's just like a factory one. Well, maybe not just like one, but it fits good. Like all the lines line up.
Yeah.
Like, what more could you ask for?
Yeah, that's great. Can't complain with that.
The color's almost there. I bet you once we get it out in the sun, it'll be a little bit better. Oh, third brake plate. We don't need that. Comment below if you think I should switch to a red one. Aaron thinks no.
No,
but
I think keep this one.
like, bam, fucking. Got a spoiler for you, Julian. Made it out of hockey sticks.
Perfect.
What do you think finish of the eBay RS spoiler?
Pretty good for eBay.
Alrighty, so we got the spoiler on. Man, does it look good. Pulled it outside, looks even better. I really think the gloss black, you know, complements the car, especially with the tinted windows. Aaron knocked it out of the park. Fucking did a good job. Thanks, Ben.
Yep.
Fuck yeah. So, but yeah, gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions about the spoiler itself too, definitely comment. I'll definitely reply back. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good night, day. Well, whenever you're watching. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.